Hi, my name is Tim. From a USB drive, you can test Linux Mint on different computers as well as install it on as many computers as you want. This video will cover the software and tools you need to put Linux Mint on a USB drive. It assumes you will be downloading and setting up using Windows. You will need a USB drive with at least 4 gigabyte capacity. You will also need to know what button to press when your computer first boots to boot from a USB drive. So let's get started. Download Linux Mint from the organization's website. Here's the link to go to the page. The link is also in the description for this video. The page has 8 choices. A 32-bit and a 64-bit version of Mint for 4 different user interfaces. The demonstration in this video is with 64-bit Cinnamon. Clicking this choice takes you to a list of domestic and foreign servers called mirrors, from where you can download the operating system. Click the desired one to start the download. Putting an operating system's ISO on a USB drive so it can be booted through a computer's BIOS typically requires special software for the average user. The application we will use is called Yumi. It can be downloaded from this website. This website is also listed in the video's description. Scroll down and click this button to download the software. Once the application is installed, insert a USB drive in your computer, then start the application. It is a portable app, so you won't find it under all programs. It will be found in the folder where you downloaded it to. For example, I downloaded it to the downloads folder. So I scroll down, and here's the Yumi application. The first step is to choose the drive from the step 1 drop-down menu. It's most likely the E drive. You probably want to avoid putting a check in show all drives because it lists your main hard drive as well, and you don't want to accidentally select it. You can choose to format the USB drive before the operating system is written to it. Either click the checkbox for NTFS format E or FAT32 format E. Step 2 is to choose Linux Mint from the distribution drop-down list. It's located underneath the different Ubuntu distributions. So highlight it and click it. Step 3 is to search your hard drive for the Linux Mint ISO. Click the Browse button and search your computer system for the folder that the ISO is located in. Once you found it, click it, then click the Open button. Step 4 is optional, and I will not cover it at this time. We will simply move on to the step for creating the boot disk. The next step is to simply click the Create button. It comes up with this Yumi 2.0 setup. Yumi's ready to perform the following actions. So it's just a confirmation screen. Click Yes, and then simply wait for the process to end. Once the process is all finished, click the Next button. Then it comes up with this warning dialog. It says, would you like to add more ISOs on E, you can click yes or no. I'm just going to click no, and it says thanks for using Yumi, and then finish. And the next thing you do is insert the USB in your computer after you turn it off, power it on, hold down the button that will take you to the boot screen, and follow the directions to boot into Linux Mint. This video has been about setting up a USB drive to test and install Linux Mint. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Linux Mint, watch the other videos on this channel or playlist. There are also videos and articles on OS College's website.